Today was a really productive conversation. We had 20 representatives around the table from different civil society organisations, some folks with lived experience as older people, as young people, as carers. And I think for the first time, we really came together to ask what intergenerational policy making should look like.
Brilliant to be here to celebrate Global Intergenerational Week. It's an honour to be working alongside the newly appointed Older Persons Commissioner. I'm really looking forward to working with her. I think through collaborating together we can really make change, and I suppose that's the crux of intergenerational working. Lots of the issues that we're both grappling with, health and social care, poverty, these are all intergenerational issues. And I do think through working together we're going to affect real change.
Intergenerational conversations happen every day in our communities. They happen every day in our lives, with our families and our neighbourhoods. So to bring it into the policy arena is really essential, and to put it foremost in the agenda in terms of collaboration.
There's evidence there of what does work, and that's what needs to be invested in. So we've got a set of principles now to bring to policymakers, and we're going to be looking at asking for people to work in a more integrated way, to understand the continuity of how issues affect people throughout their lives, whether it's poverty, whether it's mental health, education. And we're going to make these commitments as a sector, as voluntary sector organisations, to work in that integrated intergenerational way. And we're going to be expecting the same from government and policymakers. We know the best practices out there, we just need it to be funded and embedded at that policy level.